Welcome to Violin Adventures number 41. This past week we had family, my sister and her husband visit, so I enjoyed spending time with them. We also got a little bit of work done. We worked on the old violin. It's coming together. We also went on a couple walks where you can see some of the beautiful scenery. Hope you enjoy. And next week we'll start on a special commission. Okay, you guys, this wood is so hard that when I'm using my gouges like this, I end up lifting the table. So I'm now reverted back to the little hand thumb planes, and I'll see how it goes. But this wood is so hard, I can't even go that fast with these. Well, you guys, we're back in the saddle just for a couple days because my sister and her husband are coming and I'm excited about seeing them. So we'll get what we can done and then we'll see what happens. So right now I'm getting ready to attach a real ebony fingerboard to this scroll neck. The problem I'm having is this surface is not flat, and sometimes I think, oh, is it worth it to do all this work for this old violin? But if we're going to start it, we're going to finish it and make it perfect. So that's what we're doing. All these things, if they're not done right, it can affect the tone. So we're going to do it right. Here are the tools that made this repair possible. May they take a bow. Here's a close-up look at all the tools used to make that violin what it hopes to be in a few more days.
And then that general blacksmith might then refer you to like a farrier in the community, which was a specialist in horseshoes to take your horse to.
Lev Adam Yehashev Darku Vahashem Yakin Za'ado. The heart of man thinks or plots his way, but the Lord, or Hashem, will set his steps aright. And this is in the he field, so it means that the Lord will establish or cause your foot to go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your comments and your thumbs up. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.